Now in Palvarinho. Well, we was in, the last one I showed you was in Palvarinho. This is, I'll show you from the outside. So this is needing some attention. Windows, etc. The roof looks good. I've seen the roof. These double doors at the side are not part of the property. So you step in here, this is into the house. And there's a stairs going down to the basement. Wooden floors.
How far back? I've not been in there.
Okay. This is a creepy bedroom.
How far back does it go that way?
Over the stairs. So kitchen, living room. By the chucks. Yeah, there's some clutter in here.
There's a bathroom through there.
And then yes, bathroom, yeah, definitely needs work. Yeah. But oh yeah, you can see up into the loft.
So there's potential to go up.
Yeah.
Because all these are just wooden walls, aren't they? So
Yeah, so it's just
yeah,
you can. Yeah, you could open plan it. The floor's a bit. The floor's okay generally. So here's the living room.
It's very expensive.
Yeah.
Yes. And this, yes.
Yeah.
Embroidery. So yeah.
The wood looks good though.
The wood's not as bad as the floor.
No.
Yeah, the floor. It's a bit, but okay.
A bit bounceable. And everything here. Why is the family not?
Yeah.
Not sentimental.
But it's more small. It's more.
Yeah, it's very small.
Need to work.
Yes, it needs the works. Yeah. So is there? No, the bathroom's behind that wall, isn't it? So
Yeah.
this is like a very small bedroom. Good starter property.
The wood not bad.
The wood's not bad. Yeah, yeah.
Not bad. Except for the roof, not bad.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah.
And yes, you need in the bin, okay, because
Yeah.
You outside not.
Yeah. Yeah.
Remove the wall.
Yeah.
Can you see what?
The roof. I think new. In this
Yeah, the
house.
roof looks okay. Yeah. I'll show you out the window. So just show you your view. Mouthful of cobweb. So just over gardens. So then up the road. Down the road. Again, I'll put all the details in the description of how much. So we're going to go down, going to go outside now to the bit underground. The electrics are here. Up the road, 200 yards, 200 metres is a bar, so you've got somewhere to go for a drink. Does a bit of food.
Mark,
Yeah.
this is what makes this house worth it.
Yeah, because it's got
You don't want garden. It's huge.
massive adega. But I'm 5'8" or 9. Yeah, and this beam these beams I have to duck for. So you've just got to bear that in mind.
It goes back there as well.
Yeah, so good sized rooms downstairs. Disculpa por favor. Another bed down here.
Oh, there's an exercise bike, Mark.
Oh, that'd be handy. So yeah, and you can sneak back upstairs. There, up there, yeah. Yeah. This is a house of surprises. Oh, look at the barrels and. Oh yeah.
They're worth a fortune.
We'll come back for them later.
See, it depends what they leave. When you could.
Yeah.
I know a lot of it's
I'll
rubbish,
find out if it comes with everything.
A lot of it will
Another
be.
stairway there. Where's that stairway go? Is that just to what was
What
going
stairway?
up? There in the corner stairs.
Oh yeah.
I'll head round and see what that stair does, because I think it goes up into the kitchen, but it's not. No, it's been blonked off.
So where is this? This is at the back of the house.
Yeah, we're at the back. Yeah.
So what would be above this?
This is where I'm stood is the well, there's a bedroom, and then there's
Is it the living room?
the living kitchen. The living room's at the front of the house. Yeah, so definitely a project, but
So that goes up to the front.
it goes up to the side door.
To the side door.
Store an entranceway.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you wouldn't use this as the entranceway.
Understand the floor.
The roof, yeah, yeah, yes.
Not very high.
No, it isn't. No, it isn't. No. So does it come with everything that's in the house?
What?
All the stuff that's in all this is it with the house, or did he?
Yes. The compost, the house.
The washing machines, the chairs, are they all with the house, or are they the owners going to take them out?
No.
You don't know. Okay.
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 We sell
The brick, the house.
Yes,
Yes. Not what's in it.
not wood, not.
No. Olá, boa tarde. Bom dia.
No.
Alright, so I hope that helped. Again, a good roof. No windows out the back, so you've got no views out the back. You've just got the views over the wall at the rest of the village. Yeah, done that. So, yeah, hope that helps again. It's on the market at 19,500 with Espacos. So I'll over and out you, but I'll show you the sign so you got a phone number, and it's Rui you want to be asking for.